Be honest with yourself for a second. You have a document, maybe a PDF, maybe a PowerPoint, maybe just a wall of text, and you know it needs to be a video. But you have no idea where to start. No camera, no editor, no budget. Maybe you are a trainer sitting on a full onboarding manual that nobody reads. Maybe you are a teacher with a lesson plan, and your students are tuning out the moment you start talking. Maybe you are a marketer with a product brief that needs to become a demo video by tomorrow morning. Whatever your situation, you have the content. You just do not have a way to turn it into something people will actually watch. That is exactly the problem Leadde AI was built to solve. Leadde is an AI-native video platform that takes your existing documents, PDFs, PowerPoints, plain text, and turns them into fully produced, professional videos in minutes. Real AI avatars. Real narration, real structure, zero recording, zero editing, zero production team required. You bring the content, Leadde builds the video. And right now, Leadde just dropped something that changes the game completely. They have integrated Cedance 2, one of the most powerful AI video animation models in the world right now, directly inside the platform. That means you can generate cinematic visuals and animate them into video clips without leaving the tool. Nobody else is offering this inside an all-in-one video creation platform, and I'm going to show you exactly what that looks like. I have dropped the link to Leadde AI in the description below. Go check it out, try it for free, and see for yourself what it can do. Now let me show you what this tool can do. The link to Leadde AI is in the description below, so go ahead and open it. When you land on the homepage, look for the Get Started button and click on it. You will be taken to a login screen, and the fastest way in is to sign in with your Google account. One click, no forms to fill out, no lengthy setup. You are inside in seconds. Now take a moment to look at the dashboard because this is important. What you are looking at is not a basic video tool. This is an all-in-one AI video platform, and everything you need: video creation, avatars, voices, templates, media assets, lives in one place. You do not need to jump between tools. You do not need a separate scriptwriter, a separate editor, or a separate presenter. Leadde handles all of it. And if you look right at the top of the screen, you will notice the announcement Cedance 2 is now live inside Leadde. We will get to that shortly, and trust me, it is worth the wait. For now, let us start with the core feature that most of you came here for: AI Video Creator. So here is what this tool actually does. You know that document sitting on your desktop that nobody is reading? Maybe it is a training manual, a marketing brief, a research paper, or a product guide. Instead of converting it manually into slides and then recording yourself presenting it, you simply bring it here. Leadde accepts PDF files, PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, and plain text files anything up to 200 megabytes in size. You drop it in, and the platform reads the content, pulls out the key information, organizes it into a structured narrative, and builds a video around it, automatically. But it does not stop at file uploads. If you do not have a document ready, you can also paste in a block of text, directly copy something from a website, an email, a report, anything, and Leadde will work from that. Or, if you are starting completely from scratch, you can simply type in a topic. Something like how AI is changing digital marketing, and Leadde will research, structure, and build the entire video for you with no source document needed at all. For this demo, I am going to drop in a PDF on how AI is changing digital marketing. Once the file is uploaded, you will see a few settings appear, and do not skip these because they shape how your final video turns out. First is language. Leadde supports multiple languages, which is powerful if you are producing content for a global audience. I am keeping it in English for this one. Next is video style. You have options like neutral, objective, and structured, among others. Since this is a training style video, I am selecting explanatory. This tells Leadde to structure the content in a way that teaches and informs rather than sells. Then there is video length. This is where you decide how detailed or how brief you want the output to be. A longer selection gives you more scenes and more depth. A shorter selection keeps it tight and punchy. I'm going to go with 3 to 5 scenes for this demo so we can move through it quickly. But know that Leadde supports videos up to 9 minutes long, which is significantly more than what most other AI video platforms allow. That matters a lot for training content where you actually need time to explain things properly. Once you are happy with those settings, hit Generate Outline and give it a few seconds. What Leadde is doing in the background right now is reading your document, identifying the key points, and organizing them into a logical video structure so you do not have to. The outline is ready. On the right side of the screen, you can see the full video outline, every scene, every section, the content that will be covered. You can click into any section and edit the text, remove a scene that is not relevant, or add an entirely new section if something is missing. The AI gives you a strong starting point, but you stay in control of the final message. Once the outline looks good, the next step is choosing how your video will look. You will be asked to select a template, and there are plenty to choose from: different layouts, different visual styles, different moods. Pick the one that feels right for your content and your audience. After the template, you choose your avatar. This is the AI presenter who will appear on screen and deliver your content. Leadde has a large public library of avatars, and every one of them looks realistic. They are not cartoonish or robotic. These are photorealistic AI presenters with natural movement and accurate lip sync. Browse through them and pick whoever feels like the right fit. For visual style, I am leaving it on photorealistic, which gives the video a clean, professional look. And for video duration, confirm your preferred length, and you are ready to go. Hit generate, and Leadde will now build your complete video. In a few minutes, a preview will appear, and this is where you do your final review before the video is fully rendered. You can swap out the avatar if you change your mind, adjust the voice, add background music, drop in your business logo, edit any on-screen text, and make any last tweaks to the content. When everything looks exactly the way you want it, click Generate Video for the final render. This final generation takes a few minutes depending on the length and complexity of your video, and once it is done, it will appear right here in your projects. Let us take a look at what just came out.
Hello and welcome. In this presentation, we will explore how artificial intelligence is fundamentally reshaping the landscape of digital marketing. The insights we'll cover are essential for marketers, creators, and business owners who want to stay ahead of the curve. First, let's establish AI's transformative role. AI is not a concept for the future.
This feature is a game changer for enterprise teams. Organizations already have large amounts of documentation like onboarding guides, compliance training, product manuals, and process documents. Instead of sharing PDFs that often go unread, you can upload them to Leadde and quickly turn them into narrated videos with avatars that people will actually watch. The core value is simple. Leadde transforms boring documents into engaging, high-converting training content without the need to record any footage. It is one of the fastest ways to create professional training videos at scale. Now, here is where Leadde goes beyond what Synthesia and HeyGen can offer, and this is something worth paying close attention to. Inside the AI Tools section, you have access to powerful models including Nano Banana 2, which generates cinematic quality images from a text prompt or a reference image. For example, I will paste in this prompt, leave the aspect ratio by default, then increase the number of images per generation to 2 and generate. It produces something that looks like it came from a professional shoot. These are not generic stock images. These are detailed, visually rich scenes you describe, and the AI renders. Now here is where it gets powerful. You can take those images directly into Cedance 2 and animate them into actual video clips. Camera motion, natural movement, life added to a still image. The result looks like produced video content, generated entirely inside Leadde from a text prompt. For training content, this solves a real problem. Instead of using generic stock footage that feels disconnected from your brand, you can generate custom visual scenes that match exactly what you are teaching. A safety briefing, a product walkthrough, a scenario-based training exercise, all of it visualized with cinematic quality without a production budget. The avatar system is where Leadde AI goes head-to-head with Synthesia directly and delivers more flexibility. Inside the platform, you have a library of realistic AI avatars. These are photorealistic presenters with natural delivery, varied appearances, and professional presence. You pick the avatar that fits your content, your audience, and your brand tone, and it presents your script with accurate lip sync and natural movement. For enterprise training, this matters enormously. You are producing content for global teams, often across different languages, different roles, different contexts. You can as well create your own custom avatar. Either upload a reference video to create an avatar that acts and moves just like you, or create from a photo if you don't have video footage. You can clone yourself by uploading a photo or let AI design it for you. In case you choose to upload a photo, ensure that the face is fully visible. looking directly into the camera. Go distractions like cape or glasses, or other people in the background. Give your avatar a name, gender, age, and a voice from the library, or clone your own voice then generate, and it gets ready in seconds. There are other interesting features you should check out. Slide Presenter. If you already have a PowerPoint, even up to 50 slides, Leadde AI converts it into a narrated video using smart highlights. Almost all the steps are as before. It does not just screen record your slides. It identifies the key points and builds a video flow around them.
Welcome everyone. Today, I am excited to introduce Leadde, a pioneering platform in enterprise-grade AI video generation. In a modern corporate environment where visual content is king, Leadde is fundamentally transforming how organizations communicate both internally and externally.
This is the fastest possible way to modernize training material that already exists. Another exciting feature they just added is Motion, a new tool designed specifically for structured explainer videos. It's particularly well-suited for breaking down complex content in fields like education, mechanical engineering, and energy. To get started, you can either upload a document or simply enter a prompt, something like "Explain Newton's second law." What you get is a visual explainer video. You'll see a force being applied to a mass in a specific direction, demonstrating that the force acting on an object is directly proportional to its acceleration and inversely proportional to its mass. Let's try another one. Explain how the water cycle works. As you can see, heat from the sun warms a body of water, causing evaporation. That moisture rises, cools, and condenses to form clouds, which then release precipitation, and the cycle begins again. Whether you're a student, educator, or professional, Motion turns complex ideas into clear, engaging visuals, making it easier than ever to learn and communicate difficult concepts. There is also a growing library of video templates inside Leadde AI for different use cases and industries. If you need something polished in the shortest possible time, you pick a template, add your content, and it is ready. That is everything Leadde AI can do, and honestly, we have barely scratched the surface. The best way to understand how powerful this tool is for your workflow is to try it yourself. The link is in the description below. Click it, sign up for free, drop in a document you already have, and watch what comes out the other side. You will be surprised how fast it works. If this video was useful to you, hit the like button right now. It helps more people find this content. Subscribe if you want to keep up with AI tools that actually save you time. And if you have questions about anything I showed today, drop them in the comments and I will answer every single one. See you in the next one.